In this video, you'll whitelist CreamSoda in Google Workspace so users can connect Gmail, Calendar, and contacts. You'll need to be a Google Workspace super admin or have security privileges. And you'll need CreamSoda's client ID. Let's start. Go to admin.google.com and sign in. From the admin console home, open Security. If you don't see it, click Show More first. Now choose Access and Data Control, then API Controls. On the App Access Control card, click Manage App Access. In the top right, click Configure New App. Paste CreamSoda's client ID and click Search. Select CreamSoda from the app result. Next, choose who can use CreamSoda and click Continue. For access, select Trusted. This allows users you selected to grant CreamSoda the Gmail, Calendar, and contacts permissions they need. Click Continue, then Finish. You'll now see CreamSoda listed under Configured Apps with Access, Trusted. That's it. Users in your chosen group can go back to CreamSoda and connect their Google account.